How to download Tapswap app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up your Chrome browser and on the search bar, just search for the Tapswap application over here. So as you tap on that, you'll be able to see different options over here. This is the official website. So if you want to download it in an easy way, you just have to search for Tapswap download and you'll be able to see different options available for you. So just tap on any of these options available for you, and as you tap on that, you'll be able to see the download option. So just scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of download options is in Google Play as well. So just tap on download and you'll be able to download the application on your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.